もちろん最初は信じなかった。でもそのノートには、人間なら誰でも一度は試してみたくなる魔力がある。殺してしまった。二人も、この僕が。命だ。軽いはずがない。僕に勝手に人を裁く権利があるのか。いや、違う。いつも思ってたことじゃないか。世の中腐っている。腐ってる奴は死んだ方がいい。この世に不必要な人間を消すことのできる奴がいるか。いるわけがない。でも僕にならできる。いや、僕にしかできないんだ。やろう。デスノートで世の中を変えてやる。
The human whose name is written in his notebook shall die. So guys, after watching this video, what thought comes into your mind first? Please let us know surely in the comment box. Hi guys, welcome back to Anime Casa, where today we are going to share our anime review on the popular series Death Note. The whole Death Note series revolves around mainly two characters, Light Yagami and L. Here comes Light Yagami, a strikingly handsome and brilliant young man who was bored with his normal life. He thought there was no chance in the present world between good and evil. But suddenly an incident happens in which everything changes in his life. One day, Light stumbles across a notebook belonging to an otherworldly creature known as Shinigami, aka God of Death, where he can write any person's name in the book according to his specification. That person will die. In short, we can say he becomes the life controller. Rarely has a Death Note fallen into the hands of a human, and no one in the past has used it to any great significance. But Light is different. Light has a unique sense of justice. He believes that he can truly make a better world if he uses the Death Note to kill off the world's criminals. This powerful notebook creates an attitude like God in him. This stupid attitude makes him turn into a stone-hearted man and build a new character, Kira, who does not care of the person he wants to kill in order to make his so-called ideal world. But at the end of the day, no human can become like God. As compared to Light's intelligence, there is another person like him who interprets all Light's actions. He is none other than L, a genius young detective who has worked on some of the world's most notorious cases. He is no more than Sherlock Holmes, Pomkis Bakshi in anime world. Except for their intellects, L and Lights couldn't be more unalike. So when Light works on his way onto the Kira investigation team and he becomes L's only true friend.
And criminals
After this, if we see a word to this cold intelligence battle between Kira and L, then it will be
There's
a
no way
sin to the
anyone can
viewer.
murder so many people and not have any memory of it.
What's wrong? You've been staring at me for the last 2 minutes. Wait, let me guess. You must be annoyed because I'm the only one who can take it.
That's not it.
Here, really.
So friends, come to our thought. Generally what we see in a movie, film or series, that an optimistic protagonist always becomes the point of entertainment. But in Death Note, with the course of time, it makes its protagonist Light turn into a villain, which makes the entertainment centerpiece. Death Note is a 37-episode series from 2006 to 2007, based on the hit manga which ran in Shonen Jump. The show itself is solidly entertaining, a thriller and suspense series. This series became so popular that it inspired many world's best makers to make a real-life action movie on this, which is a very big achievement for a series like itself.
別のシーンで皆さんノートに触れたから見えますね。
書けばいいんだな。
無駄だよ。ルーク、書けたか。
So friends, if you like our video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch more videos like this. And we have also listed the link of the first episode in the description box. If you wanna see more videos of this series, then let us know in the comment section. And yes, our upcoming video is on top 5 trending anime series in Netflix. So friends, stay tuned for more. Thank you.